Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Knitcrate. Yes, today I have received a lovely package from my postman and it is indeed the November box of Knitcrate. Isn't that marvelous? So if you don't know what Knitcrate is, it's a monthly subscription. And I will put some details in the description box below. There are 3 different types of subscriptions. I have just a regular Knitcrate box. I know that there's a sock crate and a Malabrigo crate, which is very, very amazing, but a lot more expensive. But this one, I think it's really good value. It's all hand-dyed yarn and it is absolutely amazing. I love it. So this is November Knitcrate. And I'm about to open it right in front of you. And I think this month's theme, if I remember correctly, is about beneath the water or something like that. So it's a lot of watery colors under the ocean kind of thing. What would you find under the waters in the ocean, in the sea, things like that. So lots of nice and bright colors, I would imagine. So let's, without further ado, open this box and let's discover what's inside. Okay, so I've got the knife and I will open this box. There we are. Oh, here. I have broken the seal, so I will open this box right in front of you. Let's see if you guys can see that before me, shall we? I wonder what color we're gonna get. Because that's the thing. I know now you can have the option to kind of choose the theme you want. But I like the surprise. I really like it. So, what color am I getting this month? What color is this? Can you see? Let's find out, shall we? Let's find out. I love the surprises. I love the surprises. There's paper. I see paper. That's all I see. Paper. Okay. Oh! Oh, yes. Oh, it feels so soft. It's so soft. Look at this beautiful color. So it is called Knitology Glowing Worsted and the colorway is C. Now I can see why. Now before I show you, I will tell you it is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. That is why it's so soft. It is just so amazingly. It reminds me of a couple of months ago. Was it 3 months? I can't remember. I think it was the month of August. In fact, it was this yarn. It feels just about the same as this. It is so soft. So here is my yarn. I've got 2 skeins of this gorgeousness. Look at this, you guys. It is amazing. But what's most amazing is how soft it is. Oh, I really like it. I just can't wait to work with it. Really amazing. It just feels like that yarn from, I think it was the month of August. Oh, it is absolutely amazingly soft. Okay, so now that I've gone on about this forever, let's see what else is in the box, shall we? So we have, of course, our pattern. This is our booklet. November. And let's see if we can go to the patterns. Oh, I will show you the colors that were available. So there was the blue, then there was like a, I don't know how to describe that, like a rich red burgundy, and there's like a natural, like a stone wash kind of thing, and the blue, of course, which I got. Look at these colors. Aren't they amazing? So and the patterns in this booklet are, oh, there's a cowl, there's some socks, there's a hat, and there's some mittens. Amazing. Look at this. Oh, and look at that hat. But look at the mittens. And if you like socks, here they are. And the socks, I think there's a crochet one and there's one that's knit. And the cowl is crochet. The mittens and the hats are both knitting. And there is also a preview of next month's theme. It's like a theme peek. If you want to see it, it's called greenery. Look at that. That looks good. That reminds me of autumn kind of thing. Look at that. Greenery. See these leaves right there? It's just really good. This is a good autumn one, I think. But this is for December. Okay. And there's a little extra. There's a little extra from Ahmad T. Ahmad, or is it Ahmad? I don't know. And it's from London, right? So this should be interesting. Here we are. Ahmad T. And inside we have some tea. I can't wait to try those, you guys. There's one that's peach and passion fruit. There's one that's strawberry sensation. And there's a mango magic. Oh, they look yummy, yummy, yummy. Mango magic, strawberry sensation, and peach and passion fruit. Oh! I don't know which one I will try, but you know what? It's in London. I might have to order some. That looks super, super yummy. Thank you so much, Knitcrate. I am absolutely overjoyed with this yarn. It is super, super soft. I'm just not sure what I will be doing with it. I'm not too sure. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video of my unboxing my Knitcrate. And until my next video, happy knitting and crochet. Bye for now.